All right, everyone, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've done one of these videos. So working outside today at this Marina dock. I'll show you here in a second, but anyways, open this door up, turn the circuit off for the lights that I was working on, and then going down here, this is where I was working today, down this ramp. So basically pushed like a little push cart, or some people call it a T-cart, put some stuff on there, assembled these lights, and then put that on top of the cart and pushed it around because the Connex is all the way over there. So basically it's a lot of walking. First time I took the Corvette to work, so that was awesome. There's like some birds over here sometimes. So anyways, lots of walking. Oh, there's the big bird. I think it's a blue heron. Anyways, so I walked 5.2 miles today at work. The poles were already up on the ground, but basically just assembled these heads and then bolted on this head right here. So I had to wire nut the wires that were already sticking out. They were zip tied to the top of the poles, just the hot, neutral, and ground. So I just wire nutted those, and then we already assembled the first one. This was the first one that we did. This one was already sitting there. So I did 11 of these with a material handler guy, coworker, at my first day at my new company. Everything went really smooth. This was super easy. So the first one, we hung this first hook right there, and then we pushed it up and bolted the head on, which was really hard. And then all the rest of them, we just assembled the hangers and the heads together, and then we just flop the whole thing over on top. As you can see, the outside of the hooks are bigger, so it just goes right on top of the pole. So I had an 8-foot ladder on the left side, and then my coworker with a 10-foot ladder on the right side holding up the light. So I would wire nut it and basically just set the light on top of the pole. He would be holding the head right here, and then the light would be sitting on the top of the pole, if that makes sense. So kind of sitting like this with the light over here, and then this end of the pole, or the end of the light, just sitting on the pole right there like that. Well, I wire nutted it, and then we just, once I got it wire nutted, stuck the wires down with the wire nuts pointing up, of course, because it's outside. And then we just flop the whole thing up, and then tighten it down with the Allens right there. Basically, just the only thing I have to make sure it's going straight over the dock, because the first one was crooked, so I adjusted that this morning. Whoever did the first one, he pointed it out to fix it. So anyways, just walking down here on this dock. I don't know how long this is, 300 or 400 feet at least. But oh, there's that big bird again. Anyways, like I said, 5.2 miles today, so lots of walking. Super easy though. The only thing was a little sketchy working on the ladders on this, just because it's on water. It sways a little bit, especially like if a boat drove by or anything like that. So it's a little sketchy. That was the only hard part, or I mean, the hardest part of the day was just being on this floating surface while sometimes it would float around. Other than that, it was super easy. Super good day. First day of work at my new company. And I was gonna say one other thing, but I forgot. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. First time doing a talk through in a really long time, so hopefully you guys enjoy that and see that back on the channel. And then I will be bringing out another video. Actually, I probably already released it before this video, so won't say anything about that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It'd help out the channel. Love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, check the description and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.